Any person earning below 50 lakh rupees is not an Indian citizen. How crazy does it sound? That's exactly how it sounded when the Supreme Court changed the definition of Aravalli Hills. They say that any hill below 100 meter will not be considered a part of Aravalli Range and can be exploited for commercial purposes. This puts at risk more than 90% of the hills present in the Aravalli Hill Range. Do you know what consequence it will have on people's health? Let me tell you. Number 1. Increased air pollution. Already various cities in Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi suffer from air pollution terribly. These regions also have very high rates of lung cancer compared to any other part of India. In these regions, Aravalli Hills acts as a green lung, which means it protects the air from getting even more polluted and purifies it up to some degree. Now imagine if it's gone. Imagine the rates of lung cancer in our country. We will definitely become the capital of lung cancer if this Aravalli Range is gone forever. Number 2. Water crisis. Already millions of Indians do not have access to safe drinking water. These Aravalli Hills help in trapping the monsoon clouds and improves the groundwater level in this region. If these hills are gone, the groundwater levels will dip terribly and it will cause a huge issue for even many more millions of people from accessing safe drinking water. Number 3. Environment degradation. There is already a huge level of illegal mining happening in the Aravalli Hill Range. Considering the passage of new laws, even more illegal mining as well as legal mining can take place in that region. And do you know what impact it will have on people's health? Millions of people will have increased rate of cancers, heavy metal poisoning, as well as black lung diseases and many other diseases which can be caused due to environmental pollution. All of this could have been easily been prevented by the Indian government, but no, it's not acting to prevent it. It's already high time. We have to raise our voices for the environment and for our people's health. Save the Aravallis. Jai Hind.